This is an incredibly collectible bike these days, and we put in a proxy bid so that we could see how much this bike would sell for. So to give you an idea of what they're selling for on Japanese auctions. So just as a little reminder, this was the bike on sale in pretty good condition. They do come up from time to time, but as I said, very collectible bikes, and to find them in this kind of condition, well, it got us interested, and we do see these bikes quite a bit. So what did it eventually sell for? Need a hand in the garage? Grab your free motorcycle workshop manual from my50.com. No cost, no catch, just real manuals for real riders. Download yours today. Well, we put in a bid of 380,000, as you can see there, 380,000 yen. Final selling price 557,000 yen, which, yeah, it's getting up there for a little bike, but I've seen these bikes sell sometimes for close to 800,000, 900,000 yen. So in this instance, not a bad deal for such a good condition bike. It was in running condition, which you would have seen from the videos in our previous video, the video condition over here. So yeah, not a bad deal. If you're interested in buying bikes from Japan on Japanese motorcycle auctions, then why don't you head over to our website, my50.com, which you can see over there. Head on to the Japanese auctions tab, and you can sign in and register to create a free account to have full access to all the stock in Japan. From there, we would gladly assist you in getting them around the world to your country of destination. No, that's not going to be the right thing to say. So if you are into any kind of motorbikes, whether it's vintage bikes, mini bikes, or big bikes, and you'd like to see the stock that's available in Japan, why don't you head over to our website, my50.com, go to the Japanese auctions tab, where you'll find this page over here. You can register a free account. It's free to sign in and register. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the auctions pages, where you'll be able to view all the upcoming auctions. So for example, this is the upcoming auction in next Wednesday, and you'll see that there's all kinds of bikes available, big bikes, small bikes, not even only Japanese bikes. You can use the search box to search for any bikes you want. But as you can see here, Triumph, KTM, Vespa, Gas, Bimoto, any kind of bike, even Harley Davidson. So there is a full range of motorcycles available from Japan. As I said, head over to our website, my50.com, and sign up for your free account. Thanks for watching today, guys. If we've added any value, or if you'd like to get in contact, please feel free. Remember to like and subscribe so we can continue creating content for you guys and giving you more information about Japanese motorcycle auctions.